sure you've felt like her, and it's not a nice place to be, really. Now, you probably haven't had a good night's sleep in ages, and furthermore, you can't sleep because your partner is the one that snores, or perhaps you may always feel tired because you snore. Now, there are ways that you can stop snoring naturally, and you can get a good night's sleep. And basically, if you fill out the form, you'll get a 35-page ebook free, and you'll find out which of the three types of snore you are, and you'll also find out 6 effective methods to immediately get a good night's sleep. So fill in the details opposite and get your 35-page ebook now.